Welcome to the Black Wheels, where we delve into the most compelling luxury rides in today. It's all about longevity over flash. Buying a luxury car is thrilling, but what's truly impressive is one that just keeps going, long after the warranty expires. From Lexus classics to German icons and rock-solid SUVs, here's your guide to luxury vehicles known for their enduring reliability. Buckle up. This is where luxury meets lasting worth. Segment 1. Lexus Legends. First up, Lexus, often the gold standard for reliability in the luxury segment. The Lexus LS400 in particular made history by topping J.D. Power's vehicle dependability charts for 15 consecutive years. It wasn't just dependable. It set new benchmarks in refinement, executing precision engineering that Toyota drew from aerospace production methods. Similarly, the Lexus GS earned top reliability and quality honors in the early 2000s. With Consumer Reports citing high dependability ratings, these aren't just cars, you're watching craftsmanship that ages gracefully. Segment 2. German icons that endure. Next, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212. Lauded for its durable powertrains, rust resistance, and longevity, often surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles when maintained properly. And for performance enthusiasts, the Porsche 991 generation delivers not just sports car thrills, but a robust platform that blends engineering excellence with long-term reliability. Yes, Germans can be reliable too, when you stick to the right models and upkeep. Segment 3. Compact and bespoke. If you prefer something sportier with a reputation for durability, check out the Acura RL 2005 to 2010. Consumer Reports named it the most reliable luxury sedan of its time, topping safety and quality surveys. And the Lexus ES, once a quiet achiever, scored best in class for value and reliability, garnering accolades from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and even CAN/ADAS auto journalists. These cars aren't flashy, they're smart, quiet luxury that lasts. Segment 4. SUVs that last. Moving into SUVs, the Lexus RX 350 stands out as a naturally aspirated V6 SUV that delivers comfort and longevity. Great for long-term ownership, with minimal issues beyond dated infotainment. On the safety and reliability front, Volvo XC models like the XC40 and XC60 have earned tank-like reputation with Euro NCAP scores up to 97% for adult occupancy and praise from mechanics for their rugged build. Add the Porsche Cayenne second generation, a luxury SUV with durability and performance, into this mix, and you've got a solid list in the gravel roads of reliability. Segment 5. Recall light performers. Reliability isn't just about breakdowns, it's also about recall frequency. A recent IC Cars analysis of a decade of NHTSA data reveals models with the fewest recalls. Lexus NX 300h, just 1 recall in 10 years, approximately 0.1 year. Lexus RX 450h 7 recalls, 0.7 year. Mercedes-Benz GLA 5 recalls, approximately 0.5 per year. Lexus's 302 recalls, approximately 0.2 per year. Maserati Gran Turismo -6 recalls, approximately 0.6 per year, surprisingly reliable for a performance car. That's not just fewer recalls, it's peace of mind you can count on. Segment 6. Real-world reliability insights. Let's turn to the real world. What do owners say? On forums like Reddit, some voices say it plainly. Lexus is pretty much a slam dunk for affordable and reliable. Another owner praises German cars with the caveat of consistent maintenance. I've spent over 100k plus miles in various European cars. They've all been reliable and have never left me stranded. Of course, this all comes down to being proactive with maintenance. Even in the digital era, reliability still comes down to solid build and how you treat your car. Verdict and final thoughts? So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for used luxury that keeps giving, choose Lexus Legends like the LSGS ESRX for decades of reliable luxury. Don't overlook German icons like the E-Class or Porsche 911. Reliability comes with careful model selection and maintenance. For SUVs, Volvo XC and Porsche Cayenne offer safety, comfort, and durability. Want minimal recalls? Lexus NXRXs, and even the Maserati Gran Turismo offer surprising reliability records. Luxury isn't just about shine and speed, it's about subtlety, substance, and staying power. There you have it, luxury cars worth owning long after the warranty ends. Which one fits your dream garage? Let me know in the comments. Are you leaning Lexus longevity, German engineering, or SUV reliability? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to the Black Wheels, and ring that bell for more deep automotive insights. Drive smart, drive luxurious, and keep those wheels rolling strong.